Want to learn how to delete your recently played list on a Spotify app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. So if you want to delete your recently played list, I'll tell you at least 3 of the ways to do it. The very first one is to clear the cache of Spotify. For that, you need to tap on this gear icon on the top right corner, scroll down. Here onto the storage section, you have an option of delete cache. Tap on delete cache below. You can see that if you delete cache, your downloads won't be deleted. Tap on delete cache above. Tap on delete cache above cancel, and you can see that you have just freed up storage by deleting your cache, and find that there is no recently played one. The next one is to go to the settings of your phone, from where also you can clear the cache. That wasn't way through you could have done from Spotify. You can scroll down and tap on apps, tap on manage apps, and reach to the point where you can clear the cache. Tap on search among on the search bar and enter your Spotify. Tap on this app. On the bottom you can see 3 of the option, that is force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on force stop on the bottom right corner. Tap on clear cache below. Tap on OK. So you have successfully cleared the cache once again. This was it. And the next one is to go to this gear icon on the top right corner once again. Scroll down. The next trick is you can hide your playlist from the public platform. Obviously be visible to you on your private section, but you can hide it from public around Spotify. For that, you can scroll down and get into this social section where you will see an option of private session and even see an option of listening activity, that is share what you listen to with your followers on Spotify. Tap on the sliding bar next to listening activity. So through this listening activity, obviously your playlist will be visible to you but not to the people around to follow you. And if you're going to start this private session, you can listen it anonymously just like this. Well, there's no way that you can successfully delete a playlist, but at least you can hide it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.